Happy Wednesday, guys. Thank you for joining me. Well, we've got a lot to do today, so I'm gonna push my sleeves up and we're gonna get to work. As you can see, I've got my step stool ready to go. We're gonna have some fun decorating and we are going to make the dining room look beautiful for fall. Now, you guys may remember that I just recently purchased a whole new dining room set, chairs, bar stools, and a new chandelier. And it is all in the garage in big boxes. To be honest with you, our garage is full of college stuff. And I don't want to be bothered with that right now until I get organized out there. So we brought our old table back in, reason being, it was out in the garage, the chairs were everything was put together. And we found that when we have these family dinners and the girls bring their boyfriends over, we were running out of space with that little table that I got for over the summer. So I sold that one, we brought the old one in. We're gonna use this until your girl can get organized outside. You may be bringing that dining room set in at a later date. Late fall, early Christmas, we shall see. Let me show you guys something. So, do you guys remember me sharing this really cool vine that you can get on Amazon? It's huge. You can spread it out. It's so bendable and pliable, and you can do a lot of fun stuff with this. I'm gonna put it up there. I'm gonna swag it. I am just gonna take a branch and another one like this and twist it. And then it can hang from the curtain rod. So basically, go ahead and get one end connected. Then you can move your step stool over. Okay, and then because it's already connected up there, now that will allow me to bring this over, go up the step stool without having to worry about this falling down. Okay, and I want to show you something. Once you get it up there, you want to take a second to spread out the branches and spread out those little leaves. And because you can see right here, that's how it looks without being spread out. And it looks really kind of woodsy and fallish. So I'm going to go ahead and fluff out the rest of it, and then we'll figure out what to do next. Okay, so I hope you guys can see it's sort of a gloomy, overcast kind of day. I wanted it very viney and branchy. I also really like the little pops of green. I know this could go very much early spring, but it also could go fall. The leaves have fallen off this vine or branch, and there's little ones left behind. That's what I think it looks like. Okay, now I have a bunch of these fall stems that I purchased on Amazon last year. And I thought, what if I spread these out a little bit like this and sort of weave them into the branches to bulk up the look and give it a more fall look. I look at the garland, as much as I love it, it's giving me early spring vibes, like where the blooms are just coming out. And I feel like if I add these in, it will still look like fall with little pops of green, in the warmth of the autumn leaves, changing color. we are with this garland look. And now I feel like it says fall. It's definitely more full and substantial. It definitely is bringing in the fall color. I love the pop of green. So now we're gonna move down here and work on the top of this table. Okay, next we are gonna go in with this beautiful autumn garland. I'm simply gonna take this garland and lay it across the top of that cabinet. And we're gonna build a vignette around this. So this garland is A+ quality. And I kid you not, it's thebomb.com, basically. But I hate it when you get a garland and you can't bend the branches. They're really stiff and hard to work with. This is fun. It's actually fun to work with because you can bend them and maneuver them any which way you want. Now, I've had this sign for years. It's from Hobby Lobby. It says Farm Fresh Autumn Harvest. What I love about it is that sort of orangey, coppery color. This is going to be the piece of resistance in the center. And so I have this old plate holder easel. It's really for platters, like big platters. I'm gonna put that in the center and then add my sign. I'm going to go in with 2 book boxes to elevate my pheasant. Now right here, I'm going in with these 2 beautiful candle holders from Home Goods, not Amazon. I know, shocking. Okay, now right here in this corner, I have a wall shelf. We're gonna decorate the top shelf, the middle shelf, and the bottom shelf. Down below is gonna be where my bar cart sits, but anyway, I had to move it because I need to get my step stool. But let's make this look super cute for fall. Now up on the top shelf, I have this beautiful green wreath. I just got it from Amazon. In fact, I liked it so much, I got 2. I'm gonna be using this more or less as a backdrop. Then I'm gonna set a fall plate in front of it. You'll see. add these two adorable pumpkin canisters. I got these at Home Goods years ago. Okay, now I'm gonna drag in my bar cart. I really am not making changes to the bottom of it and just a few changes to the top. Okay, so moving on down into this corner, here's my little bar cart. On the bottom, I have a really cute marble black and white striped cake stand with my faux muffins. I have a couple bottles of wine, a book box, and a little topiary. So that pretty much always stays the same. Now I'm gonna bring in my big white ginger jar. I really debated, do I use it, do I not? Because it is white. To me, it kind of has that summer, spring feel to it, but I dressed it up with a little brown satin bow. And by the way, I'm gonna put a picture right here of this little lamp that I like to use in my ginger jar. All I do is take the cord and run it out the back. You don't even see the cord. But all I did was add a big brown satin bow around it just to give a little autumn feel to it. Now I'm going in with this black and white striped serving board. And then I have this beautiful cake stand from Home Goods with my faux muffins. And I just like the fall colors, you know, the orange and the brown. Now right over here, I have this little wall ledge. It comes in a set of 3 or 4, and I broke them apart. So I just used that here. I have this arch little architectural piece from Hobby Lobby, and I just placed this green wispy wreath to it. Now, I know it's not a fall wreath, but I always love a pop of green in my displays, regardless of the season. Now right here, we're gonna do something. I have my 2 vinyl shutters that I got from Amazon. This is a Hobby Lobby shelf I tipped right side up instead of right side down. And normally I put plates up there, but I just don't want it to get really busy. So I'm just gonna leave it like that for now. And then I hung a big cutting board right there. I found this adorable table on Amazon for under $100, and I just had to get it. So cute. So I'm gonna place that right there. So although this little area right here is rather bland, we're gonna jazz it up. We're gonna go in with this orange pumpkin plate from Creative Co-op. You guys, check out this adorable candle I just found on Amazon. Is that not cute? Has a little pumpkin lid. Smells like pumpkin spice. Anyway, they come in orange and white. They are so cute. Also come in different sizes. And then I'm going in with this. Isn't that cute? I think I got this at Michael's ages ago. And then I got these beautiful autumn stems on Amazon. They are huge. You get a lot of bang for your buck with these, and I'm only using 2. You guys may remember my friend Autumn. Well, she's back for a visit, and she is wearing a new outfit. She's got a really cute fall apron with pockets. I'm gonna sit her in that corner over there. All right, friends, well, that will conclude part 1 of this dining room decorate with me. When you come back on Friday, we're going to do the table, and I think I might be adding something else. So thank you for stopping by today, and I'll see you guys Friday. Mwah. Bye, guys.